4Matic valves. Intelligent valves, infinite possibilities.
Welcome to 4Matic Valves, where every stage of our 4Matic knife edge gate valve division reflects excellence. This division is spread over a well-planned area of 5,000 square meters, where each zone is designed for optimum safety and operational efficiency. To handle heavy components of valves, we are equipped with 2-ton capacity EOT cranes, ensuring smooth and safe movement of raw materials and finished goods. Our machining section features over 150 CNC and VMC machines, a testament to our commitment to high precision and advanced machining capability. 4Matic knife edge gate valves deliver precision and dependable performance across the world's most demanding industries: slurry and mining,
Pulp and paper.
cement industry, chemical industry, food and beverage, sugar mills, water treatment plant. A team of experienced technicians carefully assembles each valve with perfect alignment, ensuring operational efficiency and long-lasting performance. Before dispatch, every valve undergoes 3 stages of inspection: during casting, after assembly,
And through third-party inspection.
to ensure consistent performance at the site. In addition, each valve is subjected to rigorous testing as per prescribed standards, including hydro testing, pneumatic testing, and seat leakage testing. These checks ensure that every valve is completely reliable and defect-free. After final inspection, each valve is securely packed and dispatched, ready to perform in industries across the globe.